Regina Daniels don't come reveal to us say she dey go for operation and she no gree disclose the name of the operation and the reason for the operation and the head for the operation. So now she come outside come dey tell us say may we wish her well, may we pray for her, may she needs our good luck. You understand? They tell all in fans say that wetin dey come happen now. We don't know wetin be the operation about, but I bring her come aside so that I go hear her from your own mouth. Because join me, make we watch the video.
Hello guys, I'm going for an operation and that's my husband beside me. So see you when I return and wish me luck. Bye! Baby, tell them bye.
Bye. I'll be waiting.
Yeah. What's you know, baby? Now I for love, oh. Chineke. See old man wey Regina Daniel dey call baby. What's you know, baby? Baby, tell them bye-bye. Baby, tell them bye-bye. See how the ancestor sorry, the baby self carry two hands. Bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye. Where they see this love from? Because chai, love is sweet. But I beg, I don't want this kind of love because I want them young and wealthy, not old and wealthy. I beg, no call crucify me. Everybody get why now your choice? I choose my choice, so choose your own choice. Back to our talk here, my people. We don't know why this girl they go do surgery. If you ask me, who I want to ask? The only thing now, me I dey think as soon as they see me like this, be say, make she no come outside, big baka, big Chelsea. Because the way I dey see am now, be like say Papa Ned now they like big things. Maybe they don't conclude, say okay, oh this one. I dey try think many things. You know, say as they no give us reason, they no give us name of the operation, so we have to use our brain to strategize. We have to bring out answers from all the corners so that we go know. No, you they come outside now, they tell us. You they come outside now, you they tell us say, pray for me. Which prayer point you want pray? We have to be specific. If you need money, Father, expand my finances, breakthrough. If you need a husband, oh Lord, you understand? Every prayer get prayer point. You know if you just say pray for, what are we praying for? The operation is about what? When I understand, we need to know. You know if you just go give us work and they tell us how much you go pay us, or they tell us what thing we supposed to do. Just few years after marriage, don't they go surgery, operation? I be near the fire way. Make una help me now. I dey think of different you understand? I dey think of different things. I never entered this kind of situation before. Now suppose know me by now. Me, I always dey get the give una the, but this one they very suspicious. So I beg, if it be say na the boobs and the wey wan increase, or na the fire wey need the fire wey now e can lead to operation. I been na one of the rules and regulation wey they do for all in wives when marry. Maybe na Regina Tombi. Now I don't just understand. Because recently I don't know whether I notice. She don't become slim. Slim. We don't know whether wetin dey happen. I been na marital problems. I don't know. Why they tell us say na operation you they go do now? Well, you know if you tell us what they about. The thing they pay me, I bet me now don't look me like that. And you have to tell us, okay, I'm going to increase my boobs, so because my husband doesn't, sorry, because grandpa doesn't like it like that. And then we go know which kind of prayer point we go. Hey, network. Hey. You for tell us say you don't like big things now. Make una know they surprised. In next wife, our number 7, you go be he everywhere round and endowed. Because now the fine, may we wait first, may Regina finish with this one. And now why you now need subscribe? If you not subscribe, how you want to know how she look after operation and waiting change and waiting no change? Just click on that to understand. Auntie Regina number 6, madam. Because our prayers are still with you, even though we don't know what we they pray about, but I bet no die. No make our papa widow on time. I beg, we still need her alive because he needs to bring more goods into the kingdom. You understand? So I beg my people, share this video. Maybe person know wetin happen, they go drop am for that side. And make sure say you comment. Oh, I need to know wetin una think, wetin the operation is all about, and why she dey go do operation. I best start the drop am for that comment section, and make sure say you subscribe so that you no go miss the next update concerning Regina Daniels operation. Stay tuned for our next story.